reading and drill. We're going to ask each other if we have any pets. And we'll learn how to ask the question for a man and a woman. And this will be useful in a variety of situations. So, Joseph, let's ask Johanna if she has any pets.
It will be Johanna. For Johanna, it will be Johanna, Haim Yeshlach Hayot Mahmad.
Beautiful. Johanna, your options will be Cain or Lo. Yes, I have pets, or no, I don't. If you say Cain, then you have to tell us which pet you have. And your choices are you have a dog, a kelev, you have a chatul, a cat, or you have a nachash, you have a snake. So Joseph, and the way you would say I have is yesh li. So if you have a dog, you say yesh li kelev. If you have a cat, you say yesh li chatul. And if you have a snake, you say yesh li nachash. So Joseph, let's ask Johanna once more if she has any pets.
Johanna, Haim Yeshlach Hayot Mahmad.
כן, יש לי כלב.
Very nice. Now, the next question would be, is this a male kelev or a female kelev? And the way we ask that, Gideon, is right here where the blue circle is. Could you ask Johanna, is this a male or a female dog? Is Gideon with us? Gideon's not with us. Okay, I thought he was. Nancy, why don't you help us out here? We're going to ask Johanna if she has...
Yes. Is they kelev?
Oh,
Or
I've lost your audio.
sorry, my network was slow. Is they kelev or they keleva?
Let's just...
Or kalev?
We just... The question is Zokelev o Kalba. That's the whole question. I'm sorry. I think the question is Zekelev o Kalba. That's the way the question is put. Is this a male dog or a female dog? Do you want to give it one more try?
Yes. Zekelev or zekelva?
Okay. And the response, Johanna, would be either Zekelev or Zokalba. So let's ask. So it would be Zekelev. Ze is the masculine. This is a male dog. Or we would say Zokalba. Zo is the female. This is a female dog. Nancy, could you put the question once more to Johanna? Zekelev or Kalba?
The female. Okay. Then it will be zokelev or zokalva.
זה כלב.
Okay, very good. The last piece would be, what is the name of the dog? So Johanna answered that it's a male dog, Zekelev. So we go Ma Shemo. Nancy, Shemo means his name. Ma is what? So since Johanna said it's a male dog, we go Ma Shemo. We're asking Johanna what his name is. Do you want to try that, Nancy? Ma Shemo.
Mashmo.
Good. Johanna, Ma Shemo.
כלבי.
Okay, Kalabi. And you could say Shemo, his name is whatever, Shemo, Daniel, Shemo, Gideon, Shemo, Kalabi. Okay. Let's try that much again with two different two different partners. Let me just double check my list here. Let's try Peter and Joseph. Joseph asked Peter if he has any pets.
גבריאל, האם יש לך חיות מחמד?
We're asking Peter. Okay.
או פיטר,
Okay.
פיטר, האם יש לך חיות מחמד?
Sure.
Okay. And now you have to decide yesh li kelev, yesh li chatul, or yesh li nachash. Yesh li
Yesh
means, I'm sorry, go ahead.
יש לי כלב.
Good. Joseph, would you ask Peter if the dog is male or female?
פיטר, זה כלב או כלבה?
כלבה.
Nice. So you would say zo kalba. That means it is zo, or this is a female dog, zo kalba.
זו כלבה.
Very nice. And as a result of his response, Joseph, we would ask ma shema. Shema is her name. What is her name? You want to try that, Joseph? Ma shema.
Yes. פיטר, מה שמה כלבה?
Yeah, you could say that. Very nice. And Peter, your answer would be Shema. Her name is, and then the name. Shema.
שמה סימבה.
Simba. Okay. So
סימבה.
Shem
Nice.
shall Kelev shall Peter me Simba. Very nice. Okay.
סימבה is for lion.
Right. So your dog's name is Lion. Very
Yeah.
nice. Very nice. Okay. Let us find another pair of students for this bit of exercise. Gabriel and I will work together and go through this question. Gabriel, are you available to do this little exercise?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to ask you, do you have any pets? And your answer will be Cain if you do, or Lo if you don't. So the question is, Ha'im yesh lecha chayot mahmad?
Then says come again.
We're going to ask a question. Do you have any pets? Do you want to try asking this question? Ha'im?
האם יש לה חיות
Good.
מחמד?
Mahmad. Nice. This Lamed Chaf Sofit, I don't have any vowels there because
Okay.
it
So
can
that
be
is love.
it's either lecha or lach, depending on whether it's a man or a woman that we're asking the question. If we're asking of a woman, it would be lach, ha'im yesh lach, and if we're asking of a man, it would be ha'im yesh lecha. So that's the trick on asking questions. Let's try this question, Gabriel. You could read this one. Is this a male dog or a female dog? You want to try reading this line, please?
זה כלב
O.
O. Kal. Ba.
Nice. Ze kelev o kalba. Let's try another line. Here's another line for you, Gabriel. This is asking, is your cat male or female? Let's try this one. Ha'im.
Aim ze. Ze. Zakal. O. Ke. Va.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Ha'im says zachar o nekeva. Now, if we don't have a pet, we say lo. Lo means no. Hapana.
Lo.
Right. And then we say, I don't have a pet. Do you want to try that, Hebrew brother?
Yes.
Okay.
En li ayota. Mad.
Good. I noticed you put a vowel on the tav. You said chayota. Do you want to try that once more? There's no vowel under the tav.
Yes.
Sure.
En
Okay.
li ayot
There you go.
mamad.
Okay. Are you able to give me that chet at all? It seems like you're completely eliminating the chet. Now you have to really make some effort. Mahmad or Mahmad. You have to give something in the throat there.
Malmad.
Okay, I think your solution has generally been to use a K sound because you can't say the ch. At least you could say Mahmad, right? Mahmad.
Makmad.
There you go. Good. And that's a. I'm sorry, Joseph.
So don't means ain.
Right. Ainly, I don't have. Ain't, there is not to me. Yeshli is there is to me. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, good questions.
So I will say lo Eli Hayot Mahmad.
Right. And if the answer was yes, you'd say Cain, Yeshli Chayot Mahmad. I do have a pet.
Okay.
You got it. I would be very grateful, Johanna, if you could continue to work with Gabriel for a while. And I will do some work with Peter in the main room. Again, I think that possibly Nancy and Joseph and Johanna